friends, so we got our biryani, now heading back for the camp out.
Chabu's friends, look at him.
Yeah.
Look at him, he finished almost all the biryanis. Only little bit biryani is left. And
Hi friends, we're camping in a car in the middle of a heavy rainstorm. And we're gonna eat in the car. And I have my emergency bedroom and I have a swing pole. Just when I'm standing on a seat and I fall down, I can wear it and then I will just swing off for safety.
good. What do you want to eat though?
Some biryani or some chicken sandwiches, and then it's gonna be a
Okay,
perfect
today
day.
we are going to do a biryani camping in our car.
Dada,
Yes.
even wear a safety belt here. See, when you put this on, then when you fall, you will not fall actually. This will make you swing and you can fall down.
Okay,
When I'm standing on the seat, maybe I'll fall down, so I'll wear this for safety.
cool. Oh no, the friends saw that. तो शू कर दे काय पित्र निघालो बरोबर असेल कोण I'm getting a tissue.
Hi friends, so we came here, the rain started coming heavily since we came in the rain, and now we're here to get our biryani since the storm whiles.
Let's see. We're going to get our biryani from here. It's called Punjabi
That's the
Law.
biryani.
Yo, that's the biryani, yes.
Dada, be careful.
What is this name of place? It's called Punjabi Loft. This is in Sarjapura only. If you know Sarjapura, if you have seen Mahavir Orchids, it is near to our place. I think.
The rain is pouring, having a camp out in the rain that's pouring. That's really boring.
That's not boring.
Stop that.
Okay.
And in the midnight, there are metal lights snoring.
Dada doesn't snore.
Just,
Oh no.
He snores too loud that he can't sleep.
Oh, sorry. Okay, now time to continue the song.
Okay. The rain is pouring and the camp out is too boring. And in midnight, Tara's place snoring.
And biryani chabu is going to eating.
That's what. Rain. Friends, so we got our biryani, now heading back for the camp out. I know. Hi friends, so we found, it was too sunny and came somehow, then we found this good shade so we can park our car and relax a little. Come on.
There is water for you to drink also. Yes, Chabu got the drinking water also.
No, Dada. It's professional emergency guys.
Chabu will do fishing here.
Yeah, Dada. How great idea. Dada,
I don't think here in this one there will be any fish.
there should be. There's always the
What are you doing?
I'm checking how deep.
Then you should get a better stick. Take this one.
Pretty big, but amazing. It's not so deep. Not so deep as this. And we needed a professional fruit. What a boss! 50 models. Haha. I'll get some more sticks.
One.
Okay.
Look everyone. Chabu is prepared.
Hi friends, we made a fishing rod. We got this old the old wire and a hook made out of wood somehow, and this stick.
Show them. Is this the hook?
Yeah?
Okay. This is the rope
Yeah, that's the rope.
and this is the stick. Okay, hold
Yeah.
it. Did you hurt your hand?
A little bit, but not so much.
Let's see if we can catch a fish.
Dada, but we'll need some worms and bait.
I think that only is a bait. Come, let's see.
I'm getting straight for this.
So what if we get a barracuda?
Then look at me amazing. Dada,
You have to hold it steady. And if I push you, you'll fall down.
no, don't push me.
Oh no, there is a panther footprint.
Where?
Tell your friends what you're doing.
Hi subscribers, now we're going to record dogs eating.
Are they eating? Are they liking the biryani?
I think so. Dada, their tongue is when they put his mouth in the bag, his tongue split out into the bag.
They are not able to open it, I think.
Wow.
Dude, look it.
Okay.
Are you doing it?
Yeah. Dada,
You give it.
whole different breed came.
Tell your friends.
Hi friends, we're feeling the dog.
Throw it far. Hurry, jaldi.
Okay.
Throw it far. Hold it.
Okay.
Throw kar. Far ko throw kar. Ja.
Dada, you hold it. It's too hard. Dada, you hold it. You hold
Like
it.
this you have to throw. See how I am throwing.
Yeah.